Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.
Godwin Mahama. So Godwin issues are a good board no. Corruption allegations are de abo mampenyin appointees what you're sending in a 2022 budget brouhaha ministry minority say honorable my speaker eba one more ebe fresh
motion corruption
entimpacho to us.
No problem.
Okay. Mami, I think we need to correct this. On says Accra High Street here, they are to Professor Mills. I in idea to say Professor Mills Street. I don't see the reason why Ghana near 50 years and you see Jubilee House. But people don't want to address it as Jubilee House. They still want to call it as Flagstaff House. That is the purpose in which we built
the name
that
officially.
Not that official. It's not the whole place. Flagstaff House was just a portion. But yes,
that now on a Flagstaff House.
I understand the point very well. And I'm
going to new edifice.
Mami, Accra High Street, Professor Mills,
and so
they are to
am my friend.
So say you to my mummy and hypocrisy. The engineer to my condemning. But
yes,
Ghana Nibia NJ SA72 muye.
Ghana Nibia NJ
the all kind in terms of Flagstaff House and a Jubilee House in the
Sir, it was originally named Jubilee House.
Sure.
And this mobile numbers and the Flagstaff House. And after Yasan be the Jubilee House.
Until Obia or reason or the year, Until when? Yensu.
Because me bow. Yes. It's a Jubilee celebration.
Jubilee celebration.
Me nko ho. Share me 10 minutes as
okay. Yes.
President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Nyame enim ne no kware se wada. On sorry.
Okay.
Because in some bia okan sometimes e bro adwene ne ntiase so. Because the Ghana phone na nim say or superintending over a very corrupt government in the history of this country. Now the okan enyami wanwa because for the first time in the history of this country any enya president ono ankasa edi ne ho folly corruption mu. Nani nuanom enso di omo ho folly corruption mu. Nti the only option or one say obekata omo so because no wanhwe yi ono ankasa no ne to bedadi. Wanhwe yi enso ani nuanom to beden ebedadi. Nti di oye ne say minkoso a enka say that asesha ne proye eni ma ban mu. Me bia menya akonya bia na meka the same thing. Na ento Ghana 40 mu say ma ban mu obi bia eniwa or involving in corruption. I mean, say Ghana for any day. Ghana for nim say na Baimu has been recorded as the most corrupt government in the history of this country. Probe ben on my ye. Entia president man kware ana chire Ghana for eniema SN efata. Ambiama under the fight against Galamsey illegal mining. Ye ni Ghana hana machines ne excavators yagigi fi Galamsey for ho yete is about 500 etu akoriem plan na investigate ye minu ka say to ne yentimi investigate obi the then environmental minister if I say Frimpong Boateng, yes, sorry, Professor Frimpong Boateng accuse I think one of the regional ministers na ye decide na ye de action insa so no na wafa 500 excavators no minister we American no was say MPP appointee and no say ni nyanko MPP ni na ono ne garage na ye park sa excavators no wono ono na yenko bisa no up to ne ye hwehwe mu ye nti obi aye excavators no so a and ma ye de ba ko pe be wura mu dan we mu a enko no 500 ni yehu na why na afa inti president no onim inti you say why investigate bibia no this one has it been investigated etuo na gold omo gigi fi excavators no ho no the last time na MP honorable Kennedy Japan ankasa bisa ne party force won go magigi sa gold ni etuo no won fambra because I will call Galamsey site yanji only excavator o yajeji gold ni na any tuo ni na anameboa e have they accounted for it? No. The president no ombra biom. The next point bust 5 million contaminated fuel deliberately omu kan petrol and a diesel ebom a company and as at that time no mu licensed, and this one is on record. With investigation na mo mutimi exonerate that company na the odisa contract ni masa company na no mu ni license to deal in oil no. What I can say? Because that company moving pina no mu ni license. So you see this contract ni ema. Asa mi gusu wo ho ne akosi sen Australian visa. Your friend minister nimpo say Pius Hena Majide. Onu ani minister because no your deputy minister of sports. Onu ani substantive minister. Say onu ni nsabonwom or accuse ni deputy minister. Say na me so na sa bribery and corruption e call so a ye dani MPP for the year journalist e dey call Australia. E go Ghana ni ma sepoto. I get me. In some American NDC na account, anya Ghana for na account. Eye MPP for no mo accuse o mo nkofo. Minister of Sports say oye no ani deputy. And ejiji nkofo ska. E dey won call Australia. And ya chi obi. The same honorable minister no. The only thing a president I say was some bonabaso the nifi deputy minister of sports. I didn't call deputy minister of information. And Mami Mountain maybe I say before I ever show now when ya kwenya I think omuko Eastern region one of our programs. Eko ka say Pius ne ho song when the investigation was not even hasn't even started. Now who president appointed? Now okako hwehwe ne appointee mu. Now what is say president can o baby say nipa na akọ hwehwe ni nsem no ne ho song a who dare you to go and accuse that person? Until na man ne Ghana phone call ani na free president Nado clearing agent because before investigation be koso no na wa pa akwenya bi so ama Ghana fa ka say oh nipa we de wa nya hwe until maybe abaka bia no then the investigators hands are tied because uko contrary to their president Ekana you lose your job. I get me ye wo Ghana ha and vice president Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia I say Ghana 2.5 million Ghana cedi. They were cut to post GPS. This GPS. They are existing already. As I say, what Ghana for you. The only thing a company where you is almost find the same as I say app. SSI interface, no. At the Ghana red, gold, green, and black stars, no. At to her, and they named it Ghana Post GPS. I get me. I say Ghana 2.5 million. Ghana cedis on this app. I'm going to investigate Vice and up to date. Nothing has been done. There were Ghana had no much and say about 12 million fertilizers. The Eco Bois planting for food and jobs. Ira. Fertilizers worth 12 million Ghana cedis. And yama, tell me. That's shame. Yeah, please. That's why I'm making this a president can say all issues more. And then no quarry and then throw na president in HR. Sorry for me to say so, but the minute do say you can't quarry no. The president is not saying the truth. Fertilizers I see young fan Bois planting for food and jobs. Now MPP chairman, MPP secretaries, MPP youth organizers, ask Magul worth 12 million. What Tiana Oka Obo NDC chairman Ubo Bidi. Meso Tiana Obo NDC member di Ubo Bidi.
The woman who accused you, none of them came
because I am a party for and a real that fertilizers nintinu. President no entimi amaya nyawu ehwehwem. Worth 12 million Ghana cedi. Unim dia saska no betimi aye. E betimi esi school. E betimi esi hospital. Anameboa. E betimi ato several ambulances. Ama other people. Now what tenasi ama mo party for a that fertilizer. Now president say they approve everything. And you no quarry. I said president he must come again. Ghana for enye junkie so. Ye nie bie ye nim de ekọ. Ye wo Ghana ha. Enye yesi asem. The president no eja the interference of state institutions irrespective of whether a NDC and a MPP nipa and a ya accusing and a yashwenin same one. And can same one in an by this time a bit of prison. Or ma won kwan. Ye wo Ghana ha no mo say under John Mahama or my contract Cocoa Roads into omu esusu say krono di bia eden akoso. Ebe say Ghana 10 million Ghana cedis somebody koye audit. Omu wie they didn't find a single corrupt issues in that said Cocoa Road contract. And must say Ghana is capital 10 million Ghana cedis. Sika me boy utie me anya sika keto awo. Sika ebeti mi assistant for shebre. And American wasem. Anjema yenko enim yet Ghana ha no mo kire en sehwe the then National Health Insurance Health Insurance National Lottery Authority then director my former MP Ofi Osei Ameya honorable within a day etimi man yiri nua contractor about 12 contractor one go through the public procurement conflict of interest Nigeria nua contract up to date you're investigating here. I get me. You were Ghana had almost millions of cedis. I could train the youth in street light fixing. And how to fix street light. You be training. I could say billions of Ghana cedis. You see, I have a lot of corruption issues under this government. Met me about meaning to know Mabaka Krabi. I mean, it's Ghana for any media. The fact is that president I think say either say wada makase wada I'm sorry and I say buapayo and on person obedia to mu say or superintending over a very corrupt government in the history of this country. I mean say Ghana for ni na nim nipa oye Ghana for nim nipa the MPP party here for the past 5 years. The last issue
your time.
Utie oha exi ponkno. Needs FM.